Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. To begin with, we will present to you about mobile application. The group member of our project team is AMIN ASYRAFI YASSIN ZAINOL 1172052, Muhammad Farhan bin Muhammad Jamil 1172067, Muhammad IQBAL bin AHMAD RIYANTO 1172088, and Muhammad Ashraf HAFIZUDDin bin MAZLAN 1172103, which is me. The type of our project is Islamic mobile application. The name for our project is Mobile Digital Iqra. The objective why we developed this mobile application are, first, to ease the users who are trying to learn Iqra, especially for mu'allaf, those who are newly embraced with Islam and don't know where to learn Iqra. Second, to reduce pressure while learning Iqra, as the example, adult that want to learn but ashamed and pressure because of their age, yet they still don't know how to read Al-Quran. And the last one is learning Iqra and gain another knowledge such as the Prophet.
Our target community: first, children; second, mu'alaf; third, adults who just want to learn Al-Quran. Our product will be placed in the website with a free download in selected months. For your information, this Iqra only have volume 1 only. It contains 31 pages. In a simple way, this Iqra that have been digitalized and added with audio. Software that used for the prototype Adobe Flash.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now I will continue the presentation, and this is the demonstration on how the app works. Alright, so this is the loading page, and now this is the start page. So here in the start page, there are two buttons, which is the home button and also the exit button. So this is the exit button and this is the home button. If we click the home button, it will lead to the home page. Here on the home page, there are three buttons. First, the start button, which will lead to the start page. Second, the Iqra button, and third, the Kisah Nabi button. Alright, so now we will move to the Iqra. So here, after the user click on the Iqra, there will be a tutorial page. So here on the tutorial page, there are several buttons, as we can see here. First, there are two characters, which is boy and girl. So this is for the audio. So if the user decided to use the male's voice, so the user need to move the cursor over the icon and hit the icon to stop the audio. And if the user decided to use the female's voice, then the user need to do the same as the male's voice. Move the cursor over the icon and hit the icon to stop the audio. Alright, so here next there is the next page button. So if the user wants to move to the next page, the user can click this button, and here is the previous page button. Next, the button to go to the last page of the Iqra, and this is the button to go to the first page. And here on the top left of the page is the quit button, and on the top right of the page is the home button. Next, we will demonstrate on how this button works. Alright, so now I will choose the male's voice. Now I will stop the voice, and now I will use the female's voice. And now I will stop the voice. Alright, we will use the next button, the previous button, the go to the last page button, and go to the first page button. And now we will go back to the home page. And now now my friend will continue the presentation.
Okay, now we go to the next content for this application, Kisah Nabi. Okay, if we click the Kisah Nabi, they will go to the Kisah Nabi Ulul Azmi page, which is we decide to choose 5 selected prophet which known as Ulul Azmi. First is Nabi Nuh, second is Nabi Ibrahim alaihissalam, third Nabi Musa alaihissalam, fourth Nabi Isa alaihissalam, and the last Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. If we go to the Nabi Nuh alaihissalam, okay, here we can see they have the media player, which is the same media player as the others media player that we know. Okay, first we go to the play button. Okay, the play button will play the video and also function for the pause button. Okay, next the stop button. Stop button is for to stop and pause the button, pause the video. Okay, next the skip forward and skip backward button. Then the timeline, and the last is volume control. Okay, last but not least, at the right top of the page there is the back button if we decide to go to the previous button. Okay, that will the function for the all page is same as Nabi Nuh pages. If we go to the home button, okay, we go to the previous page, which is home page, and if we decide to close the apps, we need to click the start button and then we click the quit button. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.